Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei Matepad Paper, and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, which should be on the left lower corner, and now just scroll down in this left section to find System and Updates. Now we have to tap on System Navigation. And as you can see, we've got two different options. Of course, right now we've got the 3-key navigation. If you want to stick with this option, just a quick disclaimer, you can enter the settings right here and you can customize it. So you can select the position of particular buttons. You can change the position of them, reorder them, I mean. You can select also the position of this smaller arrow, which will simply hide the navigation keys. So it's up to you, as I said, if you want to stick with the 3 buttons navigation. Here we've got the gestures, and as you can see, you can of course go through the tutorial of how to use them. I will not do it because I can actually show you how to use them. So first of all, let's tap on it in order to set it. And as you can see, instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this clean look. We do not have any buttons, any kind of lines and so on, which I really like. Your device will ask you if you want to go through the gestures tutorial. Of course you can, it's up to you. I don't want to do it. And again, here we've got also the settings, so we can kind of customize it, because unfortunately, as you can see, we do not have any options to customize. We can simply try out the gestures, which is a tutorial. All right, so let me show you how it actually works. So if you want to get back to the previous page, just like using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the right or from the left, just like that, and as you can see, we will go back to the previous page. Let me do it again from the left. The same situation, we are in the home page. But let me enter the settings, because I just want to show you what to do if you want to enter the home page directly, so you don't want to use the back kind of motion. All you have to do is to simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and do it kind of fastly. It should be a short movement, just like that, like you're swiping something away. Just like that. And as you can see, we've got the home page, and in order to open the recents, you have to do kind of the same motion, I mean the same direction, because from the bottom to the center, but this time do it kind of slowly and hold your finger somewhere here, almost in the middle. Let me try to do it. And as you can see, after releasing the finger, here we've got the recents. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to set the gestures in your Huawei Matepad Paper. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.